Hello everybody. Today I want to show you how to change Pokemon Go Facebook account. This is simple. Okay. Now you can see your Pokemon touch here, and on the top you can see settings button top here. Okay. Now you can see the first option is account. In my screen is in Spanish, but you can see account. Now, where is the trick here? You need to put other account and remove your Facebook account. Example, if I want to change my Apple account, I need put example Google or Facebook account, and then I need remove my Apple account. Okay, only when I am put my Facebook account. Okay, I can wait 2 days maybe or 1 day, and then I can put another different that my first account of Apple. Okay, example, no, there is not example. Okay, but you understand me? You need to add an account and then remove the account you want to create a different one. Okay, that's not good. Okay, okay, but you understand me? Okay, this simple. You need add other account and remove that you account that you want change, and then put other different account. It's simple. Sorry for my English, not is the best, but I will try to speak English. Now you can see that I study my English when make that videos. Is awful, I know, sorry for that, but this is all for this video, man. I hope that I can help you maybe a little. Okay, see you later and goodbye, have a good day.